When we think of strength training, we usually picture heavy weights, squats, or hours at the gym. But what if I told you that one of the most important muscle groups in your body, the hips, can be strengthened without stepping into a gym at all? Your hips are the hidden powerhouse of your body. They control posture, balance, and even protect you from injuries. And today, I'll show you 3 simple exercises you can do anywhere to strengthen them. No equipment, no gym required. First up, the glute bridge. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and push your hips upward. Hold at the top, then lower slowly. Repeat 12 to 15 reps to wake up your hips and glutes. Next, the clamshell. Lying on your side with knees bent, keep your feet together and open your top knee. This move strengthens your hip stabilizers, essential if you sit a lot. Do 12 reps per side. Finally, the standing hip abduction. Stand tall, lift one leg out to the side with control, and keep your core tight. Do 10 to 15 reps each side for strong, steady hips. These 3 moves cover your major hip muscles and can be done in your living room, bedroom, or even your office. They'll help with balance, posture, and protection against lower back, knee, and ankle pain. Strong hips don't just improve the way you move, they change how you feel every day. So try adding these exercises into your routine and you'll quickly notice the difference. No gym, no excuses, just a stronger, healthier you.